Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. I'm trying to decompress from my 40th class reunion, but enough about me. If you want to see how I transform this shabby bookcase into chic, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So I had this old bookcase that we originally had, we made it for extra storage of binders, business binders and things like that we copied, and we made 3 of them. The third one didn't fit in the closet, so what to do? And I decided, well, maybe I'll paint it, and we've had it for a while. So maybe I'll paint it and put some trim around it and put some of my collectibles on there. So I started this weeks ago. I went to Lowe's and got some little strips of wood for the trim and started to paint this thing. This bookcase was sucking up paint like water. I mean, I ran out of paint. I started with chalk paint, and I did the outside of the bookcase with chalk paint and went on the interior of the bookshelves, and then ran out of paint there. Bought some chalked spray paint and tried that, and this bookcase was sucking up paint, I'm telling you, like water. So I ended up using some white paint that we had at the house, and I used a gallon of that. Didn't use the entire gallon, of course. Originally I thought I was going to put some contact paper or something on the shelves and sort of do it that way. I laid it out with some contact paper, and I didn't really care for the way it looked. And I thought I would put the contact paper maybe just on the back of the shelves, and I wasn't really feeling that. So I just decided to paint the entire thing white, and it turned out pretty nicely. I haven't put the trim around it yet, so I do plan to do that later on. But I really kind of like how it turned out. It kind of has that, it still has that shabby feel to it, but with the paint, with the white paint, now it looks chic. And I've added some of my blue collectibles on there. Most of the things that I put on these shelves were thrifted. I think everything was thrifted except one large blue and white piece that I got from Marshall's. Other than that, all the other pieces were thrifted. You'll see that I have the blue and white carpet balls, the ones that I got from eBay, and I did a video on that, the purchase of those, and I'll include that video somewhere in the description box and somewhere up here, so you can see how I came to have those blue and white balls in my possession. Some of it I got from the Habitat for Humanity haul recently, and I will link that video below. But all in all those things were thrifted except that blue and white piece that I got from Marshall's. I hope you enjoy this. It was a labor of love, but I had a good time doing it. So I hope you enjoyed it. You can take something away from this. And please comment below and let me know if you've had any experience with creating or updating or transforming a bookcase. This one was, this thing was thirsty. This bookcase was very, very thirsty. So comment below and let me know what your experience has been with transforming a bookcase from pure scratch, from wood that had not been treated. Let me know what your experience was. So thank you guys for riding with me. Have an awesome day, and I will see you